Man can be understood only by understanding Buddhas, Christs, Krishnas. Always remember, this is one of the fundamentals. You cannot understand the higher by understanding the lower, but you can understand the lower by understanding the higher. The higher contains the lower, but the lower does not contain the higher. And the only way to understand man is not from the outside, not through observation, but through meditation. One has to enter into one's interiority, into one's own subjectivity. Standing from there, one comes to know the greatest wonder and the supreme most awe, that man is nothing but God.